Hey Megan! This is video number 2.5, okay, before the spiritual video. Man, I watched the last video of me, and I'm such a valley girl, and I hate it. I don't know why. Why do I have this voice? It doesn't make sense, and I, I don't know. Do I always act like this? I guess I do. Oh, this is my Young Life shirt. Young Life. Yay! I'm doing that tonight. I'm singing with Kevin, who's my favorite. They're all my favorite. They're wonderful. All the guys there, and of course the girls. They're all becoming good friends. I'm singing "Kiss the Girl" from Little Mermaid. So excited about that. This is 2.5 because it's another fun random video because it's my favorite to make because I think they're the funniest. And I don't remember if I already said this in the last video, but I will throw you an engagement party, but Missy, you better not get engaged. Well, I guess you could, but not for a little while, alright? Till you're 20. How about that? Okay? Didn't work last time when I asked you not to kiss him for 3 months, but whatever. Actually, it doesn't really matter because the story was really cute, so, you know, that's okay. And I like him. I didn't even plan on talking about that. So, I did want to tell you about this thing called Fearphobic at my church. Basically, it's like a giant haunted house, and they have a clown room, which is my friend Robbie plays in that. Terrifying, apparently. I mean, he's scary in real life, so he'd be scary as a clown. And then, there's like a mirror room and like a meat locker room where they have like girls duct taped or whatever. It sounds really weird because it's my church. Anyway, so it's a haunted house thing, and then at the end, like everyone comes out and they're really scared. Apparently, it's like terrifying. And oh yeah, like one part you're walking in a hallway, and then there's a staircase, but they cover it, and they made a giant slide, like a 2-story slide, and they didn't tell you about it, so you just drop, and it's like pitch black. That would be really scary. I also feel like that could be really like liability issues, but hey, like that's cool. Anyway, after the whole thing's done, they all come out, and then we witness to them, and we tell them that they don't have to be afraid because Jesus is there, and I'm going to be in that room, and I'm excited. The other thing, okay, listen girl, let me just tell you, pumpkin muffins with cream cheese icing. Okay, freshman 15, all on pumpkin muffins. Of course I'm not going to do that because I'm forced to run for money, but forced to run every morning at 6:30, just saying. But if I did gain freshman 15, it would all be in pumpkin muffins with cream cheese icing, and I asked for it heated up, and they already know me because of that. Wow, this is a long video, and I haven't even talked about anything really. That's all. Sending another one in just a little bit, but love you!